To make an appointment with Mike, just go to the library by clicking here. Click on this tile, ask a librarian, find his name, which is at the bottom of the list. He spends Monday and Tuesday in the actual library. Let's see, schedule an appointment is the next click. And so when you ask for in-person research help, you'll just see Monday and Tuesday times. Let's see if I can get to show you. I can't quite show you, but you'll just see like Monday and Tuesday times. But if you click on online research help, you'll see evening times every single day. And it'll save you time and could prevent frustration too.